wanna listen, so baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste a day and spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies.
Goes to the wall to get peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Me. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna take the picture right and walk to the fridge. Okay?
Yep.
Where are you walking to?
The fridge.
Okay. What are we? Hello. What are we doing?
Making a video about peanut butter and jelly.
Have I been making a video this whole time?
Taking pictures
For
about
my-
PB&J.
Because it's for my. Oh, sorry. It's for my homework assignment, and we're gonna split the sandwich when we're done.
Before I do anything, I need to light this off.
Okay, go. Bye. So right now, I'm doing laundry.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Productive day. Doing laundry. Brushes are clean because I needed to clean them for like months now. And yeah, so maybe my makeup will be popping. I need to start doing this like weekly, but we'll see how that goes. Those that I'm like giving away that I don't really reach for or they don't fit me. And then I organized my closet. And here it is. Lots of watching Baaby, and yeah, this look is so pretty.
So you guys, this is pretty much the finished makeup look. Let me go ahead and set it. Makeup is done, so let me go ahead and put that violet wig on.
And also her video will be linked down below because I love
Are you guys
her.
ready?
I love her makeup tutorials. She's so pretty.
Guys,